Kalush friends. I'm here with my buddy Chris from Ear to Ear Magic. Go check him out. Guys, it's September 3rd. I'm a Florida State fan, so to say I'm not happy is an understatement.
He's already gone through the most horrific thing that could happen to him already today.
I'm going, what is it, 7 steps of grief? Grief, denial, and everything in between. I'm going through it all. Chris, where are we tonight, buddy?
We are here at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas, a revamped area of Henry's Haunted Trail. You guys have been here over the Halloween season. It's a really fun local haunt, and they just kind of tweak it up and make it a little bit brighter, a little bit merrier, and no, it's still pretty dark.
Because we did this event last year, and it was really good, and we've got...
You gotta watch out for the snowman.
We gotta watch out.
Oh yeah!
All
I
him.
am Frosty. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Now subscribe to my Snowy fans. Oh yeah!
They only have two?
Yes, they do. They do bring it down a little bit from the 3 that are normally here. Bring it down to 2 for the Christmas time.
And
a little bit of Krampus, a little bit of, you know, evil
sleigh
snowmans and all this. Yeah, you're gonna have some fun at sleigh bells.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be, you know, we'll go check out some houses.
Okay.
Or not houses, trails.
Trails.
Let's go see if we can both make it out.
Yeah, where's that snowman? I gotta watch out for him. Hello, Sir Henry. How's your evening so far?
It's wonderful.
Oh, it's a wonderful night, isn't it?
Fresh snow on the ground too.
It's beautiful. All right, first trail. Creatures of Christmas.
They let me here all by myself. This was the only safe place from all the creatures.
Okay, low bridge.
Don't leave me alone with him. It hurts so much. Please, it hurts.
Okay.
Don't leave me.
Snow miser.
Please, I can feel my body freezing from the inside out.
Oh no!
Don't listen to him. He's torturing me.
Oh, she said it's going haunted. I'm sorry. Oh, don't leave her so fast now. She'll be dead.
You made a friend, Chris?
We picked her.
Oh!
Wow.
This, yeah, this is the way.
You see my wife, Sarah?
I hate her.
Not lately. Oh man, keep thinking these guys are real.
She keeps sneaking up on me.
Oh hey. Oops.
It's the hospitality suite.
Okay.
I told them this was a dumb idea.
I agree.
It's a mistake.
Tell me about it.
Do I look like you?
Well, this isn't bad. You good?
I'm good. The wreath stuff.
You know those people who leave their Halloween decorations up all year? Hi! Go bring up. Keep going, Brandon. There we go! was a long trail.
That was an extremely long trail.
All right, so I'm standing in the middle of Sir Henry, so let me give you a little tour of everything. Over there in the corner, that is Creatures of Christmas. Then we have the swag shop over there. Over here, this is the Krampus house. It's not being used this year. Over here, that's the laser tag. That was the bale hay, it was the hayride tour last year. And right next to that, we have, that is where Sleigh Bells is. Over here, we have the axe throwing. And then we have the Great Escape Room. We have an eatery bar over there, and there's a sitting area right over here. So, yeah, nice little roundabout area. I like it. Thank you, Chris from Ear to Ear Magic, for inviting me to this. Thank you, Sir Henry's, for having us. This is a great place. This is if you're having a hard time saying goodbye to the spooky season, this is exactly where you need to go. And I'm in the red light district all of a sudden. Guys, thank you so much. I also want to give a really special thank you to my Patreon supporters. You guys make things so much easier for me. Thank you so much.
Bullseye on the first one. Bullseye. Nope, too high. Hold on. Too high.
There you go. All right, sleigh bell.
You're gonna be on the naughty list!
I've been on worse. Oh, hi!
Hey guys! Someone's taking over the North Pole! Where's Santa? Santa, that's a Santa!
Lots of screaming.
Sound turning up was the scariest thing.
Yeah, that was... The loop was just No, actually I think that's supposed to happen. I don't know, because I just heard it again.
Going on, man? You're gonna be on the naughty list. You wanna know why? You wanna know why?
Tell him.
Because I'm gonna put you there. You won't even get coal in your stockings. You're gonna have the worst Christmas ever. Can't find the cocoa. You can have cocoa. You can have cocoa without cocoa.
Cocoa, Chris.
Then you take the cocoa. You're on the naughty list. The naughty list. The naughty list. You're on the
Naughty list. Hi. Thank you. Santa put out his laundry by the looks of it. Wasn't expecting a handheld car horn.
What's going on? You're out to get up here. But still, donation. So I must make this somehow.
Oh, the church.
What?
Forgot about the church.
Yeah, I bet this guy over here could do a better job than you. You think that he can do a better job than me? Yeah, I do.
Well, this guy said I was an amazing singer, didn't you?
Didn't you? Yeah, you did. Yeah? Well, you're probably deaf, because that was the worst thing I've ever heard. Oh. Silent night. Not again. Just play out already.
That was a squeaky. See? Squeaky.
Funny squeaky
Squeaky shoes. That's a happy squeak. Hi. Hello. I speak squeak. Oh, it's been that kind of a night, huh? Oh, took your voice. Oh, okay. In the throat? Oh. I hope that heals up. Bye.
Hello. Hi there.
Hi.
You see what's happening in North Pole lately?
Tell me.
Well, everything here's just sort of run down and everything.
I could tell.
Yeah. What do you think of it?
I think it's seen better days.
Okay. Well, I'll get you back out because they're all the other house.
Oh my.
Can you fix me? I'll fix you.
What's the fix? You're perfect.
I said fix me.
Okay. I can't. You give someone a compliment, you get yelled at.
I gotta get you did it. I gotta get you did it. What is it?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Yeah.
Ready? Ready? Isn't it wonderful?
It's shockingly wonderful. Speaking of shockingly, electric chair. Santa's workshop.
Let me out right now. You know, now that I think about it, you would make a good dinner for Christmas. Let me out right now. After Mrs. Claus.
The alimony check must not have passed.
Looks like Timmy wants AirPods for Christmas. Is he gonna get them?
No!
Because he's naughty, 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 naughty! You're naughty! Everyone's naughty!
Everybody's naughty.
Didn't I tell you? I told you you were gonna be on the naughty list. I told you! I told you!
I didn't doubt it for a second.
I told you!
I know you
So
didn't.
the naughty list is touching the naughty list, and it's moving!
Santa employs more angry people than the post office.
Hey, what's going on?
Hi!
Having fun yet?
Loads. Where's he going? It was so dark in there. More chainsaws. They must keep Lowe's in business here.
What are you doing? Did you hear there's a reindeer on the loose? Keep it moving. Hey, back, Blitzen, back. Keep moving.
I'm trying.
Blitzen.
Blitzen's on a rampage.
I can't hold it forever. Go. Go.
Woo! Nice! Just right out of the bat. Wow. So in the shadow of the laser tag, folks, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you get a chance to come out here and try it. Oh wow, I'm looking really spooky. Perfect. This is the best lighting in the world. Come on out to Sir Henry's in Plant City. Check it out. 2 trails, axe throwing, all kinds of fun you can have here. Go ahead, like and subscribe. You know the whole deal. I'm gonna kick out this. I need to do this on a regular basis. This is really good. I'm amazed by this lighting. I'm never gonna fight it. How do you look in it? Yeah, just about right. Thanks, guys.